The thermometer says that it's like 24 degrees, and yet it is raining. And there's plenty of snow hanging on all the branches of all the trees. Everywhere, all of the trees have tons of snow. Well, at least 4 inches, that's the neon. And right there is the shadow, covered with snow. Haven't been anywhere for a few days. And there's John and Diane's house. Those people went to Mississippi for the winter. Bill's got the garage all plowed out down there, and his new storage building still needs to be plowed out. I sure hope that the snow goes ahead and falls off of that roof there. And he got a lot of the snow off of that roof yesterday, but it snowed more last night. And Virgil, little dog. Hey, Virgil, I'm talking to you. I'm making a movie of you. Hey, little dog. Is it raining?